Hello and welcome to my video where I'll be showing you how to knit the mini honeycomb stitch. This pattern looks like a series of small circles, or hexagons as the name suggests, and I really like the effect, plus it has a great squishy texture. The first thing you need to do is cast on a multiple of 4 stitches. I however cast on 22 stitches because I added 3 knit stitches to either side of a 16 stitch cabled panel. You don't have to add a border, but if you do, just remember to add it to a multiple of 4 stitches. This is a very simple cable pattern, and in fact we won't even need a cable needle. We'll only be doing 2-stitch cables where a knit stitch is passed over another knit stitch, and I'll be showing you how I do that using a faster method. For row 1, which represents the wrong side or the back of the knitting, you just need to purl across the row. However, because I'm adding a border, I'll knit 3 stitches to begin, then purl until I've got 3 stitches left, and then I knit the last 3 stitches. Then row 2, which represents the right side or the front of the knitting, is a cable row. So I knit 3 for the border, and then I want to do a C2B or cross to back cable. This may otherwise be known as a 1/1 RC or 1/1 right cross. It sounds complicated, but you're just passing a knit stitch over another knit stitch. What you need to do is take your right hand needle in front of the left hand needle, like so. Take it down through the front of the second stitch. Hold the base of those first 2 stitches on the left hand needle. Slide them off the left hand needle, and put the left hand needle back into that now available stitch. Then slip the stitch purlwise from the right hand needle back to the left hand needle. And now you've swapped those 2 stitches around, you can knit them. And that's a C2B cable completed. We now need to do a C2F or cross to front cable, otherwise known as a 1/1 LC or 1/1 left cross. To do this, you need to take your right hand needle behind the left hand needle and go down through the back of the second stitch. Hold the first 2 stitches on the left hand needle at the base, slide them off, put the left hand needle back into the now available stitch, and then slip the stitch from the right hand needle back to the left hand needle purlwise. And then knit these 2 stitches. And that's a C2F completed, and you can see that this cable leans to the left. Then just repeat C2B and C2F over and over until the end of the row. So put the right hand needle in front of the left hand needle. Take it down through the front of the second stitch, hold the base of those first 2 stitches and slide them off, put the left hand needle back into the available stitch, slip the stitch from the right hand needle back to the left hand needle, and knit 2. And that's another C2B completed. Then for the C2F, you put the right hand needle behind the left hand needle, take it down through the back of the second stitch, hold the base of the first 2 stitches and slide them off, put the left hand needle back into the available stitch, slip the stitch from the right hand needle back to the left hand needle without twisting it, and knit these 2 stitches. And that's another C2F completed. And repeat. So do a C2B, C2F, and so on. And because I'm adding a border, I knit the last 3 stitches. Then for row 3, which is another wrong side row, it's the same as row 1. So I knit 3 for the border, purl until I've got 3 stitches left, and then knit those last 3 stitches. Then row 4 is very similar to row 2, but just in reverse. So instead of repeating C2B and then C2F, you repeat C2F and then C2B. So as usual, I knit 3 for the border, then I do a C2F cable, then a C2B cable, C2F, C2B, and so on. And of course I knit the last 3 stitches. And that's the pattern repeat completed. Here you can see that after one repeat you get a little cabled ring or circle effect. And here you can see the result after a few repeats. On the front, and on the back. And that's it, that's how you knit the mini honeycomb stitch. I really hope you found this useful, and thank you very much for watching.